Traveling soon? Don't pack a single bag until you've watched this video. In the next few minutes, we'll show you 10 must-have travel essentials you absolutely can't forget. These simple items will ensure you travel smarter, safer, and stress-free. Let's get started. 10 camera or smartphone. Let's kick it off with something most of us can't live without: a camera or smartphone. Not only will you want to capture your amazing experiences, but your phone can also be your ultimate travel companion for maps, bookings, and staying connected. Don't forget to load up on storage for all those photos. 9. Travel insurance. Next, let's talk about peace of mind. Travel insurance. Sounds boring, but trust me, it's essential. From cancellations to medical emergencies, this will cover you when the unexpected happens. It's a small investment for big security. 8. Snacks snack time. Pack some of your favorite, healthy snacks. Long flights, train rides, or hikes can leave you hungry. Having a snack on hand can be a lifesaver. Think nuts, protein bars, or dried fruit to keep you energized. 7. Medications and first aid kit. While you're packing your snacks, don't forget your medications and a first aid kit. Basic essentials like pain relievers, band-aids, and antiseptic can save you from a minor mishap turning into a major issue. 6. Portable luggage scale. Now, no one likes those baggage fees, right? A portable luggage scale is a game changer. Check your bag weight before you leave and avoid those costly surprises at the airport. 5. Water bottle hydration is key when you're traveling, so bring a reusable water bottle. Not only is it eco-friendly, but you can refill it at water stations, saving money and staying healthy on the go. 4. Comfortable shoes. Comfortable shoes are a must-have, no matter where you're going. From city tours to long walks, the last thing you want is sore feet. Invest in shoes that can handle all-day adventures. 3. Travel adapter. Here's a simple one that can be a lifesaver: your travel adapter. Each country has different plug types, so don't get caught without the right one. Make sure you have an adapter that works for all your devices. 2. Power bank. Next, power up. A portable power bank is essential to keep your devices charged when you're on the move. Trust me, you don't want to be stuck without a phone in an unfamiliar place. 1. Passport/ID and travel documents. And last but certainly not least, your passport, ID, and all those important travel documents. Keep them safe and organized, because no one wants to be scrambling to find their tickets or passport last minute. There you go. These 10 must-have essentials will make sure your trip is smooth sailing. Remember, it's the small things that can make all the difference. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel advice. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.